Welcome back to another episode of Backyard Texas BBQ. Today I'm showing you one of my most favorite things to cook on. It's the Camp Chef Smoker and Sidekick. So my name is Kristen and every Friday I'm sharing with you something barbecue related. So today I'm doing something a little bit different for those who are just starting off barbecuing and want something that you can smoke in your backyard. Camp Chef has so many options. This one is my favorite. I wanted something that would fit perfectly in my backyard because that's what I'm doing. I am cooking delicious food for my guests, for my family, just in my backyard. So today I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to use a Camp Chef grill. So this is the Camp Chef Woodwind pellet grill that I'm using. So yes, it uses the pellets. Now I love this because it can hold up to 20 pounds of pellets at one time. And it has a little window on the side so you'll know just how much you have left. Now I just want to show you how easy this is if you're first starting out. So you just push the power on and then we're going to go to feed. So we're going to feed through the pellets. Now I've taken off some of the grill so you can actually see where the pellets are feeding into. So that's where they will light and burn, and that's where you'll get this delicious smoke from. Then from there you get to pick your temperature and the Camp Chef will stay at that temperature. Now they also have a drip tray that is slightly tilted that will make cleanup so easy. Now Camp Chef also has a double rack cooking system so you can cook your whole meal at once. So now that you see just how easy it is to use this Camp Chef pellet grill, we're gonna cook some salmon. So I'm gonna put it in, make sure that it's set to the temperature I want it to. So I want a low smoke at about 160. Right now it's a 172, but it will go down a little bit. Now this pellet grill gives you plenty of room so you can come and baste your food and meat in between, which is really important when you're cooking meat for hours at a time. Now one thing I've learned is that it's important to go by temperature on the inside of your fish and your meat the majority of the time. So this has a temperature probe connected to it. So you plug it in, you push the temperature, and it will tell you exactly what the temperature is inside of your food that's cooking. Because it's important to pull your food out at exactly the right temperature so it will be delicious. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to check me out next Friday. I'm sharing a delicious recipe with you. Now, if you want more barbecue recipes, be sure to check it out there. And don't forget to subscribe right there. All right, you guys, I will see you next week.